In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a restaurant food ordering website in Wix 2025. We'll start inside Wix Studio and get everything you need to accept orders, all from within the editor. Begin by heading to Wix Studio and opening your site's dashboard. From there, click Edit Site to launch the Wix Studio editor. This takes you into the workspace where you'll design pages and manage apps. Give it a moment to load if it's your first time opening the editor for this site. On the left panel, open the Pages section. This is where you control your site's navigation and create new pages. Under Main Pages, add a new page. This will become the home for your restaurant ordering experience. Give it a clear name so visitors know exactly where to go, and keep it consistent with your brand. If your navigation updates automatically, you'll see the page title appear in your site menu. Next, stay on the left panel and open the App Market. The App Market is where you'll find add-ons that extend your site's functionality. In the search bar, type Wix Restaurants. From the results, choose Wix Restaurant Orders. This is the official Wix app designed for online food ordering. Click Add to Site. You may see a brief permissions or loading prompt. Go ahead and confirm, then wait while Wix installs everything. You'll notice a progress indicator. Don't navigate away until it completes. Once the app finishes installing, you'll be prompted to set up your restaurant menu. This is where your ordering system comes to life. Add your menu categories like starters, mains, and desserts. Then add individual items with clear names, concise descriptions, and accurate prices. Upload high-quality images so dishes look inviting. If you offer variations such as sizes or add-ons, create item options and modifiers to let customers customize their orders. Arrange categories and items in the order you want customers to browse, and toggle availability for any items you temporarily don't serve. As you build, use the preview inside Wix Studio to see exactly how the menu and order flow look on desktop and mobile. Keep labels short, check that prices and currency display correctly, and make sure the new page is easy to find from your main navigation. When you're happy with the layout and menu details, save your work. That's it. You went to Wix Studio, opened your site, created a new page, installed the Wix Restaurant Orders app from the App Market, waited for the installation to finish, and set up your restaurant menu so customers can start ordering online.